friends. If you're here to watch a BarkBox unboxing. So this is for the month of August in the year of 2022. And yeah, I enjoy BarkBox for the themes. The toys are cute. Roxie will play with them eventually. And it looks like this month's theme we got Playcation Italy, which I look forward to seeing what that entails. Oh, this first one's a little pizza. This one is called mozzarella pizza. It has a squeaker and a crazy crinkle. So let's hear that squeaker. Fun. It says topped with mozzarella and pomodoro. According to our guidebook, that's crinkle and a squeaker. This thin crust pizza is chef's kiss. Toss this pie into the sky and tell your dog to follow that dough. Very cute. Moving on, we have, I'll be honest, I'm not sure exactly what to make of this, so we'll see what the card says. I understand the scooter. I think this is a dog. I don't know. Maybe it's a hamster. It's a squirrel. It says Buona Squirrella. Has a squeaker, a crazy crinkle, and it's packed with fluff. This is about the right size and shape for Roxie. She likes holding this kind of stuff in her mouth. It's a good squeaker. It says, take a Roman howl a day with Buona Squirrella. Toss this Vespa varmint for a romantic chase scene. Those squirrels are always playing hard to get. And then, this is a bottle from the Villa dei Puccini. It is a limoncello from the Amaltese Coast, Italy. I love all of these puns. These are so great. And they're just calling this the limoncello. As a squeaker, a crazy crinkle, and a surprise toy inside. That's exciting. It says, surprise toy inside. When life gives your dog lemons, they come hidden inside a soft, crinkly bottle. After all, no dog can resist a chaser. I can't. I just can't. Let's see, moving on. Let's see what kind of treats we got this month. Let's see, we got the beef recipe chew stick. Just chew stick, I don't know. Roxie takes like 30 seconds. Next we have the Clucky Jerky Nibbles. So let's see the ingredients here. Chicken, pea flour, vegetable glycerin, sugar, dried culture skim milk, salt, natural smoke flavor, and mixed tocopherols as a preservative. We're gonna open this bad boy up and see how this looks. So it's kind of like it reminds me of a pepperoni, a little thicker or a little wider maybe. Smells good, not gonna lie. Roxie's probably not gonna turn it down. And then next, we have the Wakey Loops bacon and cheese recipe, which I don't know if we've had anything like this before. So the ingredients in this are bacon, oatmeal, barley, potatoes, rice, pea starch, cheese, ground flaxseed, natural smoke flavor, mixed tocopherols as a preservative, rosemary extract, green tea extract, and spearmint. So let's go ahead and see what this bad boy smells like and looks like. Oh, it reminds me of like, doggy Fruit Loops. They don't smell like them though. They do not smell like doggy Fruit Loops. It reminds me a little bit of like a mapley smell. Anyways, let's see if Roxie cares at all for these toys. Spoiler alert, not that last month's toys weren't great. It was just, she still has other toys and I rotate them, doesn't matter. They'll all get used eventually or they'll get donated at some point. But I'm enjoying these boxes. They're just not the right fit for our dog, who turns out she's not destroying these toys as fast as I thought she might. And these are not the super chewer toys either. Anyways, we'll go see what she thinks of them. Roxie! What toy do you like? Okay, so that was the Fruit Loop. Oh, okay. Okay, can you sit? Girl. And next we'll do the other treat. Well, I fumbled the toss. So these are both more chewy treats. So if you need a treat that takes your dog a minute to chew and keeps them distracted while, I don't know, you're trimming a nail or putting on a halter, that might be best. That's all I got, but I love how you just sit pretty. What about your toys? Let's go see your toys. Do you like any of these? I got no mas. No more treats. None. No, I'm sorry, sweetie. What about these toys? Okay, well, I think, my bad. I think Roxie has just determined that the best course here is just to sit pretty, and hopefully she'll get more snacks. Oh, sitting pretty is too tiring. We're just gonna lay down pretty. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to help me out, consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Anyways, Roxie and I say bonus. No, that's not how you say. Ciao. We say ciao. Anyways, it took me a minute. I got there. Thank you again so much for watching. Stay cool out there, my friends.